Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you very good information that how to test all fuses fast and easy way. And this is really excellent way because sometimes we have engines, these modern engines like in that my engine, that there is now electric issues, and that's we have to test cars, fuses and electric cables if we have difficulties to start our car or truck engine. And now I will show you that how to test this car's fuse box within couple of minutes. And let's go to look what tools I need and how this test happens. Okay, we really need this testing equipment, and this testing come from England and USA. There is company what name is Fluke, and this Fluke makes electric these testers, and using this tester we can test almost anything in electricity. And this my tester is this Fluke this T150 voltage tester, and this is made in UK like in England. And this tester works so that this is so automatic that this tester can detect this electricity within only one this point, that area. And this is so great. And this is also suitable for very well for fuse testing, and this fuse testing happens so that I install one fuse between these 2 points, and then if we can hear this sound and see this yellow, this light in here, this tells that our cars or trucks fuse is okay. And let's go to look that how this happens in small case. And now I have in here this basic car and truck fuses, and when we are in our cars we have to check that what is status of these fuses. And this purpose is that I install these my testing points in this metal area, and if we can hear this sound and this light, everything is okay. Let's look again. This is like okay, fuse, and then we test next one, and we can test these fuses also in this up area. And this is this hint what we have to use when we go to our car's fuse box. But let's test all of these. This is this point, and let's test. Okay, and then smaller fuse in here. This is a little bit different. This is okay, and then we have this glass fuse. Let's test that one. Only metal point. Okay, good. This is also good. And in that way we have now basic info, and now we go to my car. And then when we are looking our car's fuse box, it is important that we have our car's this car manual and service book, and then we can also purchase from internet like this eBay and Amazon.com this Haynes this workshop manual, and using these manuals we can find this our car's this fuse box. And in my case this fuse box is in there. In this my car this fuse box is in that corner, this black cover, and let's go to look that area next. Okay, and there is this my fuse box, and this is really this area, and I need to open that, and let's go to look what we can see there. Okay, and this fuse box opening happens so that there is always some these fasteners and locks, and when I carefully open in that my car there is that kind of fastening, and now I take this my cover away, and then when we look in that area there are those our fuses. And then when I like to test all of my fuses, I have to test all of these smaller and bigger one in here and also in here, that what are and what is this my fuses status. And next I take my fluke tester and we can start this job. Okay, and there is really this my fluke tester, and this testing happens in same way as I before made. And now I start this my testing in this area in here, and now I install this my testing these sharp points in the sides areas, and when we hear sound then everything is okay. Now I install here in that way. Okay, and this means that this is good, and now we can look closer. And now we have nice view, and I continue this my job, and I install again this point in here, and look, there are those small metallic pins. And now when I have this sound based tester, this is really easy, and I go forward that way, and I can even move in here that area, and now this is okay. And next fuse, sometimes I need to little bit move these points. This is okay, that one is okay, this is okay, and I can like jump in little bit forward in there. And let's look closer. Now we can look in that side, and we can go in next fuse what was in here, and then I install this in here. Okay, okay, works. Next one. Okay, and now it seems that this works. That one works. This works. And that one. This is okay. But this one not. Now I found one defect. And it is good to test actually, so that I install this in same lines. This is mandatory. Okay, and now we have one bad fuse, and this happens so fast. And now I take my pliers and I move that fuse away, and I install that in here, and we can look this bad fuse closer. Okay, and there we can see really this bad fuse, what is like silent and no any sound. And let's test that again. No any sound. And now this my fuse was bad, and now I have similar new one, and let's test that one. And we can test this in this way, and now there is sound, and now I install this good fuse back in this my fuse box area, and now I believe that this my defect has been solved, and we can go forward, and we have now found issue, and we also repair that issue and defect. And this is this way how to test all fuses fast. And now I install this new fuse back in here in position. Good, now it's in there. And then I test also all another fuses, because maybe there is some another thing. This is okay. Next one. This is okay, and then bigger one. Okay, and in here. Good. 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 And then in that big one in here. This is good. Excellent. And now we have made this all fuse test, and this is really fast, and in that way you can find the defect why my car don't and won't start. Okay, that kind of information, and thank you for watching.